Oh, somebody got into an accident here. Somebody got into an accident. For the people that are starting on motorcycles, the number one thing that you need to focus on is the friction zone. This one right here. See? This is your friend. If you think you're in trouble, you always press this to take the power off the rear wheel. Or hold on a second, let me turn around. Or if you're like in an MSF course, if you don't know what you're doing and like, oh shit, 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 then cut. Just press this red button. It cuts everything off.
Wow.
Cut everything off. Okay, if you don't know what you're doing, press this, it will cut everything off. Especially when you turn, always have this clutch in the friction zone. Don't see, this one's gonna cut if you let it go. See? If you want to turn and you're in a hurry and you let this go, you're going to the other side of the road. If there's a car there, you're gonna hit the car. I'm seeing the video on Dan the Fireman. Do you even have my glasses on? Okay. Slow down. Oh, somebody got into an accident here. Somebody got into an accident. It happens. It happens. Let me get this thing down. Neutral. I really like this gear indicator, man. I just put it in neutral, which is funny because at the MSF class there's no indicator. When you know, like when the instructor says put it on neutral and people can't find the neutral, so people are waiting and everybody found the neutral except you, and you're like, where's the neutral, where's the neutral? And it's like, oh my god, everybody's waiting on me, staring at me, and the instructor is just, you know, shaking his head like, man, you're gonna get a gas and pump the clutch and then keep shifting until you go to neutral. I was like, oh, okay. Slow down. So tell me guys if you like my content, man. You know, is it boring or is it are you guys able to stay with me here? Stay with me. Not like, oh, this guy can't vlog. This guy's not interesting at all. Look at my wrist. Woo! I'll stop doing that. Okay, why is this guy on the other side? Okay, he's like merging. See, I'm always have an escape route. I look behind the mirror. If there's a car that's approaching really fast, I go that way. I'd rather have this car hit the car except me. All right.